Okay, this is the classroom and this is for not for your private discussions. Remember this. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇರೋದು ನಾ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದು ಬರ್ರಿ. It is a classroom. Behave properly. ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದ. ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಬಾಳೋತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ತೀತ ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬಾಳೋತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರ್ತದ. ನೀವು ನಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. You are my students. That's why I'm not taking any action on you people. So please behave properly. Attend the class sincerely. Okay. If you are having doubts, you can clear with discussing with me after the class. But don't disturb in the class or don't misbehave in the class after joining the class. Remember this. Okay. And yesterday I was discussing this problem. And in this problem, they are given the NET value. NET value per rupee. At the rate of per rupee for 5 years, NET value is 3.791. This 3.719 is nothing but it is the value of NET per rupee for 5 years. This is the value. This is the value of 1 rupee. So you multiply this value with the annual installment, you will get the cash price. You will get the cash price. Remember this. If NET rate is given in the problem, then you calculate NET value with the help of equation. That equation is cash price of machine is equal to annual installment into NET value per rupee. NET value per rupee you take. So cash annual installment is 10,000. Multiply by the NET rate, that is 3.719. That will give you cash price. So cash price is 37,910. This is the 37,910 is the cash price, and you take this cash price and solve the problem. After calculating this cash price, you apply the first method of calculating the interest. NET method ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂದ್ರ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ನಂತರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Thereafter you apply the first method of interest calculation. Okay. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. NET ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, cash price is equal to annual installment into NET per rupee. Multiply this and get the cash price. Once the cash price is calculated, then apply the first method. Okay. You see this table showing interest and installment. In the first method, Utility table, date, particular, cash price, then interest, installment, interest, principal, depreciation. Okay, you write the heading, data bag, you write the first year agreement, date is not given the problem. You take the cash price, then principal is 4,600. First 4,600 is paid on signing the agreement. Thereafter, sorry, first year you write the agreement, cash price is this one, no interest. Okay, then second interest and installment. You calculate interest, record in the interest column, then installment in the installment column, then installment minus interest is equal to principal. This is the first method. First year completed, you take the balance. Second year, calculate the interest on the balance. Interest is 3,170, installment 10,000, then principal is 6,830. Then second year completed, you take the balance. Then third year, interest and installment. You calculate interest on the balance. Interest is 2,484. Installment 10,000. You deduct it. You will get the principal. Okay. Next, fourth year. Fourth year interest and installment. You calculate interest on the balance. Interest is 1736. Nearly. Installment 10,000. Principal 8,264. The next is fifth year. In the fifth year, don't calculate interest. You take the difference. Whatever balance comes, that is the principal. In this way, calculate the interest and principal installment. This is the total. Okay. If the NET amount is given, NET value is given in the problem, first you calculate cash price by applying the equation. Thereafter, follow the first method of interest calculation. This is the 5 marks question. This is the 5 marks question. Write the heading. I forget to write it. Next you see this problem. Mr. Pasar purchased a scooter on 1/1/2010, costing rupees 12,000. Cost of that scooter is 12,000 on hire purchase system. On hire purchase system, the terms being the payment of rupees 22,000 down and balance in 4 half-year installment of is 3,000. You see that cash price is given for you people. Cash price, cost means cash price, 12,000. 2,000 you have to pay on the date of agreement. On the date of agreement, you have to pay 2,000. 12,000 is cash price. 2,000 you paid on the date of agreement. 10,000 is the balance. And balance is to be paid in 4 half-yearly installment. 4 half-yearly installment of is 3,000. So, one installment is 3,000. 4 installment means 12,000. 12,000 plus 2,000, 14,000. And 12,000 is the cash price. So, difference of 2,000 is called as interest. The first is being paid on 30th June 2010. First installment date is 30th June 2010. And rate of depreciation is 20% on original cost. You have to calculate depreciation on the original cost. And they ask to close the accounts on 31st December every year. This is the problem. Sariyag nodri. Cash price is given in the problem. Cash down is 2,000. There are 4 installments. Each installment is 3,000, and it is paid at the end of every half year. Half year you have to pay. And depreciation is 20%. Depreciation is 20% on the original cost. Then rate of interest. Is the rate of interest in the problem?
No.
Rate of interest is not given in the problem. Okay. So which method you apply for this? If rate of interest is not given in the problem, how to solve the problem? You see here. Table showing interest on installment and depreciation. First column days, second column installment, third column interest, fourth column principal, fifth column depreciation. Okay. Date of agreement is 1/1/2010. On that date, you paid 2,000. And installment of rupees 3,000 is paid at the end of every 6 months. Okay. 30th June, 3,000, 31st 12, 3,000, 31st 6, 3,000, 31st 12, 3,000. This is the date of payment. Date of payment. Half year installments are there, not annual installments. Half year installments are there. Then after making this, you take the total. The total of installment column is, the total of installment column is 14,000. Okay, 14,000 is the installment column. Then principal column total. Principal column total always equal to cash price. Principal column always equal to cash price. Therefore, cash price is 12,000. You write these two. 14,000 is installment total. Cash principal column is 12,000. Therefore, difference between these two is called as interest. Interest is 2,000. In this way, you calculate. Or you write the equation below the table. Interest is equal to higher purchase price minus cash price is equal to, interest is equal to 14,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 2,000 interest. In this way, calculate interest. After calculating interest, if rate of interest is not given, you have to make the ratio of interest. Ratio of interest based on installments. Based on installments. So in this problem, how many installments are there? Yes. You're getting huh?
4 installment.
4 installments are there. Okay, 4 installments are there. So you write 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, I'm telling, don't take the cash down. Don't take the cash down for calculating the ratio. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹಿಡಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಡು. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ 4321. 4321. Okay. You take only installments and make the ratio. If there are 4 installments, you make 4321. If there are 5 installments, 54321. If 3 installments, 321. Like that, you make the ratio. Then distribute this ratio or share this interest in the respective installments. Okay. So first, cash down is there. You don't calculate interest. 2000 into 4 by 10, 800. 2000 into 3 by 10. 2000 into 2 by 10. 2000 into 1 by 10. Total of the ratio is 10. Total of the ratio is 10. Therefore, you divide by 10. Then calculate principal. 2000 minus interest 0, 2000. But in bitter martare cash down to go principal column. The next is 2200, 2400, 2600, 2200. This is the interest column. Okay. Then rate of interest is 20% on original cost. Original cost means fixed installment method. Then where I have to write the depreciation. Depreciation will calculate madbeku. In which date I have to calculate depreciation? In which line I have to calculate depreciation? Anyone tell me? One,
31st December.
31st December. Okay. 31st December, you have to calculate depreciation. 12,000 into 2500 is equal to 2,400. Okay. This is fixed installment method. Fixed installment means you have to calculate depreciation on the original cost every year, not on the balance. Not on the balance. Remember it. Okay. Then you deduct this amount. What is the balance for the next year? What is the balance of asset after deducting the depreciation? Next year depreciation, which line? ಯಾವ line ಗೆ depreciation ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಮುಂದಿನ?
31st December 2011.
2011. You see here, 9,600 is the balance. 9,600 is the balance minus 2,400. Minus 2,400. Clear? Interest depreciation is fixed. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟು again ನೀವು calculate ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 12,000 into 2,500. 12,000 into 2,500 you calculate. Every year depreciation is same in the fixed installment method. Now balance is 7,200. Sariyaಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೊಳ್ಳ್ರಿ. If the rate of depreciation is fixed, the method of depreciation is fixed, then you calculate depreciation in the first year only. Thereafter, you calculate the balance and deduct the same amount of depreciation. Same amount of depreciation. This is the point you remember. And this is the half yearly account. Then you prepare the half yearly account. And here are the only 2 years, 2010, 2011. 2 years are there. You close the account for only 2 years. You see here. Ledger accounts in the books of home, scooter account. In the scooter account, date particular amount. You take the first year amounts. First year amount related to scooter. There are 3 amounts related to scooter. One is cash down and 2 installments. In the principal column daga 3 amount idav. In the principal column there are 3 amounts. You take these 3 amounts. And close the account. By depreciation 2,400. Close the account, totals 6,600 first year complete. And second year you take the balance 2011 by balance brought down 4,200. And second year there are two amounts in the principal column. One is 2,600, another is 2,800. By depreciation at the end of the year 2,400. Fixed installment. Take the total and assert in the balance. By balance carry down 7,200. This is the asset account. Then second is higher vendor account. In the higher vendor account, debit side bank installment column. Debit side bank installment column. Credit side asset name principal column. Interest column. First year amounts. You see the first year amount. To bank 2,000. Buy scooter 2,000. Same date. To bank 3,000. Buy scooter 2,200. Buy interest 800. This is first installment. Then second installment bank 3,000. Buy scooter 2,600. Buy interest 400. First year completed. First year completed, you take the total 8,000. Second year, to bank 3,000. Buy scooter 2,400. Buy interest 600. Last installment, buy bank 3,000. Buy scooter 2,800. Buy interest 200. Second year completed. You take the total 6,000. Then next is interest account. In the interest account, debit side, vendor name, credit side, P&L. To vendor 800, to vendor 600. There are two interest for the first year. Close the account and take the balance to P&L account. Buy P&L account 1,400. Buy P&L account 1,400. Second year interest 400, 200. Take the total 600. 600 is the total, goes to P&L account at the year end. At the year end. Then depreciation account, debit side year end, by scooter 2,400, by P&L 2,400. Total 2,400. Second year to scooter 2,400, by P&L account 2,400. Total 2,400. In this way, if the accounts are for half-yearly installments, you solve the problem like this. This is the point you remember. Okay, with this I complete. With this I complete the royalty accounts. This is hire purchase system. I solved all the different problems of hire purchase